Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how rotate only one page in Word. We are going to open the Word file. There, from the Layout menu, click on Breaks and click on Next Page. This allows you to have more pages in the document. After that, place the cursor on the page to rotate. When you do, in the Layout menu, click on Orientation and then select Landscape. You will see your rotated page in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.